So for this recipe, you are going to need some ground chicken, some olives, and some lettuce. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a couple of olives and I'm going to chop them up. What I'm going to do is cut the olives in half, then into quarters, and then slice them across. This way you get small pieces of olive but also big enough that you will taste them. I'm going to do one more olive where I'll cut it from the top, I'll cut it from the side, and then I'll cut it across, and you get nice small pieces of olive. Anyway, once you're done chopping your olives, let's go on to the next step. So in a bowl, I'm going to add my ground chicken, and I'm going to season the chicken with some salt and some black pepper. Then I'm going to add the olives into the chicken, and I'm going to give it all a good mix. Now you can also make this recipe with ground beef or ground pork, no problem. Once I've given that all a good mix, I'm now going to shape my burger patties, and I'm using this lovely burger mold that my mother picked up years ago from the United States. And a handy little tip is to wet the surface because that allows the chicken patty to pop out much easier. Anyway, once I've filled up that patty mold, I'm going to get my pan on the stove. And to cook the burgers, I'm going to heat up some beef tallow or some lard. Now again, you can use any cooking fat that is available to you. Avocado oil works really well. Anyway, once my cooking fat is nice and hot, in goes the burger. And now I'm just going to cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, because remember, chicken cooks very quickly. And once it's done cooking on one side, I'm going to just flip it over. And then I'm going to stare at it for a bit, because just look at that gorgeous color on the chicken patty. And once it's done cooking on the second side, well, then I'm going to take it out of the pan. And what I'm also going to do is fry up another patty. So I'm going to just put it into the pan, let it cook on one side. And once that's done cooking, flip it over, let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes more, and then remove it from the pan. Now to serve it, I'm going to get out my plate. I'm going to put a lettuce leaf on the plate. I'm going to put my burger patties on top of that. Put a little more lettuce on the side, and yep, there you have it. Our chicken burger patties, or our naked chicken burger, is pretty much ready. And how do you eat this thing, you're asking me? Well, you take a lettuce leaf, you put the patty on that, you put another lettuce leaf on top of that, and you take a bite. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen, your chicken burger for your dinner is ready. Hey folks, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to Headbangers Kitchen for more awesome keto recipes, and also hit the bell icon so you get notifications when I upload a new video. Anyway, if you want to listen to some of my music, click here. If you want to watch another keto video, click here.